Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions while having a good laugh. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. And boy, do we have a showdown for you. On the left corner, weighing in at $199, we have the Comgro Ender 3v2 Neo, the heavyweight champion of easy assembly and silent operations. And on the right corner, at $169, we have the Entina Mini Tina 2, the featherweight contender that's compact, beginner-friendly, and ready to rumble. Let's get this comparison started. Let's start with assembly. The Ender 3v2 Neo is like IKEA furniture with a cheat sheet. Only 3 steps to put it together. Even a sloth could assemble this thing in record time. Reviewers love how straightforward it is. Meanwhile, the Tina 2 comes pre-assembled. Yep, you heard that right. It's like a pop-up tent for 3D printing. You take it out of the box, and you're ready to go faster than you can say auto-leveling. Reviewers appreciate that there's no setup hassle at all. Speaking of auto-leveling, both of these bad boys come with it. The Ender 3v2 Neo boasts a CR Touch 16-point leveling system. It's so smart it could probably ace a geometry test. Reviewers rave about its precision. The Tina 2, on the other hand, has a one-touch leveling system. It's the easy button of 3D printing. Press it, and boom, you're ready to print. So if you're lazy like me, Tina 2's got your back. Reviewers love how effortless it is to use. Now let's talk user interface. The Ender 3v2 Neo struts in with a brand new 4.3-inch UI that even includes a model preview function. It's like having a crystal ball for your 3D prints. Plus, it supports 9 languages, so it's basically the United Nations of 3D printing. Reviewers find it intuitive and useful. Tina 2 keeps it simple with a 2.4-inch LCD screen. It's like the iPhone SE of 3D printers, small but mighty. Reviewers appreciate its simplicity and ease of navigation. Moving on to the build plate. The Ender 3v2 Neo features a PC Spring steel magnetic build plate. It's like the Swiss Army knife of build plates, removable, magnetic, and super easy to handle. Reviewers love its versatility. The Tina 2 also has a magnetic build plate, but it's more like a fridge magnet, simple and functional. Either way, you'll be pulling off your printed masterpieces with ease. Reviewers find it very convenient. Let's talk noise levels. The Ender 3v2 Neo is quieter than a mouse sneaking through a library. Thanks to its silent motherboard, you can print at night without waking up the whole neighborhood. Reviewers are impressed by how silent it is. Tina 2 is pretty quiet too, but it's more like a cat purring next to you. Both are great for stealthy printing, but if you need absolute silence, Ender 3v2 Neo takes the cake. Reviewers find both to be quiet, but give an edge to the Ender 3v2 Neo. Size matters, at least when it comes to 3D printers. The Ender 3v2 Neo is a bit of a beast, but that's okay if you've got the space. Reviewers acknowledge its larger footprint. The Tina 2, however, is as compact as a dorm room microwave. It's lightweight and minimalist, perfect for home, office, or even your grandma's knitting room. Reviewers love its portability and small size. Last but not least, let's talk extras. The Ender 3v2 Neo has a full metal extruder, meaning it's more durable and less likely to get clogged. Reviewers note its durability. Tina 2, on the other hand, supports resume printing after power outages and offers a 24-month warranty with lifetime technical support. It's like having a safety net for your 3D printing adventures. Reviewers appreciate the peace of mind these features provide. Reviewers for the Ender 3V2 Neo praise its ease of assembly, print quality, and quiet operation, noting that it's a great choice for those willing to learn the ropes of 3D printing. On the other hand, reviewers for the Entina 2 highlight its user-friendliness, Wi-Fi cloud printing, and excellent customer support, making it an ideal option for beginners and those needing a compact solution. So which one should you buy? If you're looking for a robust, feature-packed printer that's still beginner-friendly, go with the Ender 3V2 Neo. But if you want something compact, super easy to use, and great for quick, small projects, Entina 2 is your go-to. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching. Buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart and laughing harder.